Hey guys, it's Tracy Lynn from DECLUTTERINMinutes.com with another clutter quick tip. Okay, this clutter quick tip is one of my favorites because it is motivational, it is super simple, and it is a quick and easy way to get even more clutter out of your home without dedicating an entire time block to doing so. All right. If you are like me and you like to buy things online, then I'm sure you have a collection of empty boxes somewhere in your home. It could be the garage, the basement, the attic, it doesn't matter. But what I want you to do is challenge yourself every single time you get a box in to never let that box leave empty going forward. So if you order groceries online or toiletries or paper products like I do, and you get boxes from Sam's Club or Walmart or whatever the case may be, I want you to first of all remove the label, put the sides down, and set it right inside of your kitchen or your family room or your closet. Take a big black magic marker and write donation right on the outside of that box. So it is there to remind you every single time you see it to toss something inside whenever you're walking by. You don't have to fill it all the way to the top, but at least halfway full. Get clutter in there and make sure you are getting something inside of it so that that box does not leave empty. Once you have clutter inside, I want you to fold it shut and put it in the trunk of your car. Then the next time you're out running errands, stop at the donation center, get that box out and get it all the way gone. Trust me, this one super simple, fast action tip is going to make a big difference when it comes to getting the extra things out of your home and gone for good. Some ideas for what you can put inside of these boxes: extra blankets that you don't need anymore, extra decorative pillows that are only an eyesore and not actually something that you need to have in your home, extra toys that your kids don't play anymore, extra tools that your husband doesn't need anymore, extra spatulas, measuring cups, mixing bowls, decorations, pot holders, hand towels, coffee cups. The list goes on and on. Anything that you can find, even if it's only one of each item, get it in the box and get it gone. Baby steps are going to allow you to clean out the clutter, and using the empty box tool tip is going to help you get one step closer to creating a home that you love and deserve. All right, guys, this one was super fast, but super effective. Go ahead and try the empty box challenge in your home today, and I promise it will make a big difference in cleaning out the clutter going forward. Take care and happy decluttering. Bye, everybody.